Hello, today I'll be taking a look at the CPVAN Smart Video Doorbell. It's really easy to install using the supplied mounting brackets. We've got a corner mount, we've got an angled mount, and we can mount it flat against the wall. We can mount it using the supplied screws and sockets, or we can use the double-sided sticky foam backing. You can charge the doorbell by using the supplied cable. The back pops off, and there's a charging port on the side. We've also got a power button. We can use our little pin to press the power button for 3 seconds. And then we get a blue LED to show that it's on. Once it's installed, we can download the app, which can be found in the user manual.
Connection succeeded.
And we can now access the camera through the app. So that is the CPVAN Smart Video Doorbell.